explosion has been reported in Kolkata's Rajarhat. An explosion occurred in a rented house and one person got injured. Two individuals have been detained as well in connection with this incident. A team of NIA reached the spot and is conducting preliminary inquiry. NIA officials are taking note of the situation and also preparing a report. A preliminary report, in fact, is going to be released soon. Now, an explosion has been reported in Kolkata's Rajarhat. Cops are suspecting it was a crude bomb explosion. One person sustained injuries. Two people, in fact, have been detained. And NIA, National Investigative Agency, officials have also arrived at the spot and they are conducting the probe right now. And you can see the visuals as well coming in at this point in time. NIA officials are expected to give some details in the preliminary probe report. And this incident, in fact, took place in a rented accommodation. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, when did this happen and what more details can you share with us as far as this explosion is concerned?
See, a very powerful explosion had taken place at a rented house in Kolkata's Rajarhat area last night after a few youth had left some bags inside the rented house and departed from the house, following which after a few minutes explosion had taken place. And right now the multiple investigative agencies like West Bengal Police's STF, West Bengal CID, including the National Investigative Agency, are carrying out an extensive search operation inside the blast spot. Right now, the samples are being collected by the forensic experts of NIA and STF of West Bengal Police, and the blast spot is being examined by the joint team of NIA and West Bengal Police at this moment. As per the police sources, some explosive materials have also been recovered from the blast spot, and those are being sent to forensic examination to determine whether it was any serious explosive or not. But as per the preliminary report, police have recovered some crude bombs and some explosive from inside the rented house. As per the local sources, a person had rented the house just a few days back through a local broker, and those people have already been detained. They are being questioned, but however, no one has been arrested so far. But police is right now conducting investigation. Newton police station have launched a thorough investigation. Local people are also being questioned and surrounding, and the CCTV footage surrounding the area have been collected by the authority, which are being examined right now. They are trying to identify the person responsible behind this explosion. And now the multiple investigative agencies, including NIA, West Bengal State Police, are currently conducting joint operation at the rented house where the blast happened last night.
Thank you very much, Rajesh, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.